Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can reset your Windows 11. So first and foremost, you just want to head over to settings. Once you're in settings, you just want to head all the way down here to recovery. Then you just want to press on recovery, and then you just want to select reset PC. Now over here you got two options. One is keep my files, remove everything. If you really wanna reset your PC, I would say keep, if you have any personal files, back them up and then select remove everything. That's gonna be it, and it's as simple as that. There's really nothing else, and there's another way you can do it, but that other way is very tricky and I won't be able to record it and show you. But basically you'll just have to access the Windows the accessibility mode by pressing F8 or delete key repeatedly while the Windows is booting up, and that way you can enter safe mode and all that stuff. Within all those information, all those options, you're gonna have an option called reset PC. Choosing that will automatically reset your PC as well, but I won't be able to show it since I won't be able to record it. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.